Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Mycelium wallet on your PC. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Mycelium wallet on your PC, you'll first need an Android emulator. Go ahead and download any Android emulator of your choice, and once you're done with the download, click it open. Once you open up your BlueStacks, go and click on this Google Play option, and once you do that, this will open up your app player for your Android emulator. You can also do this on any other Android emulator. Since I have the BlueStacks Android emulator, I'm gonna launch it open. You'll need to log in with your Google account in order to operate your BlueStacks app player, so make sure that you are logged in by entering your Google account's credentials. And once you reach to this page, go to the search box at the top and type in Mycelium in the search box and perform your search. Once you find this application that says Mycelium Bitcoin Wallet, click the install button in green and wait until the application is downloaded. Once the application is installed, you'll be able to see an open button. You click to launch the app open, and that's how you can easily download Mycelium wallet on your PC. You'll be able to find the application right on your Android emulator homepage. That is how you can easily download Mycelium wallet on your PC. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.